I was fresh out of college, and I didn't know where I wanted to work, and I came here, and I could just feel it, in the air when you walk in the front door.
I saw the opportunities for me to grow, not only as a person, but at the time as an engineer. So I took that opportunity.
The plant was brand new at that time, and I felt like Rehrig represented a career and my other opportunities represented jobs. 21 and a half years later, I think it's proved out to be a career.
You're going to learn a lot about injection molding, how to work as a team, how to work in an environment that's fast-paced, and work together.
We can look at it.
You're going to work with a group of people that truly care about you as a person and care about your career. There are a ton of us who started off as plant engineers on the plant floor, and those same people are now vice presidents. The opportunities for engineers are huge.
You're given a lot of responsibility and a lot of autonomy to be creative, to come up with solutions that ultimately meet the need of the problem that you're trying to solve. You're given the exposure to go out, meet with clients, see the product, the process flow firsthand, and you're the one driving that development of the product.
Rehrig puts a lot of trust in brand new engineers. My rookie season in 2010 had a lot of pretty large scale projects. I was kind of blown away that they were willing to trust me with that much responsibility and that much capital dollars, quite frankly.
Not many places will allow you to do all this work you're seeing here, from the design of this cell to just the idea of, oh, we want to put a labeler in there, we want to put a hot stamper in there. You got a box down there for all of our commissioning setup. All of those wired into each other, written into a program, and then us actually taking it, handing it off to our maintenance team. Continuous improvement. You don't get that at many other places. It's a truly special engineering program.